In front of me, Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll the list of all apps, go to settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, and here click on my wallpapers, and just pick the one that you would like to apply, for example this one, and then decide if you want to cover with this picture your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I'll pick both. Then tap on set on home and lock screen, and that's it, as you can see. Okay, so now you can also change the color palette if you want to. Let me pick this one, and as you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also lock screen of yours. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.